Nestled in southern Oregon's scenic Applegate Valley, this exceptional estate spans just over 40 acres and combines natural beauty and privacy with modern luxury. The gated property boasts rolling topography, 360-degree panoramic views, and versatile space, including 10 acres of open pasture, ideal for horses or livestock. The custom Mediterranean home has been completely remodeled, offering a seamless blend of elegance and contemporary design. Its two-story floor plan centers around a chef's kitchen with professional-grade appliances, quartz countertops, sleek finishes, and open-concept living. The main level also features a formal dining room, office, powder room, and expansive windows that fill the home with light and frame the breathtaking views. Upstairs, the luxurious master suite includes a spa-like bathroom and walk-in closet. Complemented by 2 guest bedrooms and a guest bathroom, second living area, and balcony. Mature landscaping, sprawling lawns, and multiple patios enhance the home's entertaining and enjoyment. At 1,650 feet above sea level, the property enjoys a mild climate with 4 distinct seasons and is tucked in its own private valley. The Applegate Valley offers unparalleled recreational opportunities, from fishing and kayaking on the Applegate River to hiking and boating at Applegate Lake, while the wine trail provides intimate tasting experiences, great food, and events at local wineries. A short drive brings you to Jacksonville, where historic charm runs deep and includes boutique shopping, fine dining, and the celebrated Brit Festival. This well-balanced property and turnkey estate is ready for its next owners to call it home.